Have you ever invested in a mutual fund scheme based on its solid past return, only to find out later that it no longer delivers the performance that you expected? This is why on PhonePe's mutual fund platform, we have introduced CRISP, a feature to help you assess funds in a holistic way. So what exactly is CRISP? CRISP is an acronym where C stands for consistency, R stands for risk, and ISP stands for investment style of portfolio. Let's look at how we formulated each of these aspects in detail. To assess the consistency of a fund, we analyze how it is performed in different 12-month periods over a 5-year time horizon. For the time horizon, we compare the fund's performance consistency to its peers. If it ranks in the top one-third of its peers, the score shown will be high. The bottom one-third, score shown will be low, and the remaining will have a score of medium. To measure the risk of the fund relative to other funds in the category, we look at the standard deviation of volatility of funds in a given scheme category over a 5-year period. This helps us statistically classify funds into two categories: funds whose risk is within acceptable range and funds whose risk is too high. Finally, to assess the investment style, we analyze the portfolio of past 60 months. We use 3 factors, namely quality, value, and momentum. CRISP analysis helps you identify a fund's predominant style or styles of investing. So how can you use the CRISP framework to shortlist a fund for your portfolio? Basically, there are 2 ways in which you can use CRISP. First is what I call a bottom-up approach, wherein if you have a fund in mind, you can refer to the CRISP analysis to get insights on its performance, consistency, risk, and investment style before you invest. Second is more of a top-down approach, wherein you decide the fund categories you want to invest in and then look for the right funds within those categories with the investment style of your choice. Once you spot the funds of your preferred investment style, you can refer to the CRISP framework to shortlist funds faring well on performance consistency and relative risk. Now that you know how CRISP can help you get better in making your mutual fund choices, do log into the mutual fund section on PhonePe and check out CRISP.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.